So then you have to head over to this page, testnet.monad.xyz. Just click on manually add network, then click on add testnet to MetaMask, and then connect your MetaMask, and your MetaMask testnet will be added to this. Then click on continue. You land on this testnet page, test, play and build on Monad testnet. Then click on connect wallet, select your wallet and connect your MetaMask here. So once that is connected, you can scroll down, and one important thing is getting the faucet tokens. Right now is little difficult, but project has already distributed huge number of test tokens to large community members to their EVM wallets based on their previous on-chain footprint. So if you go to your MetaMask after adding testnet, so you can see I've received around 10 Monad testnet tokens on my testnet wallet without even claiming the faucet. So in case if you don't see this, just copy your wallet, paste it here, click on get test tokens, and your test tokens will be dropped to you. So right now some technical issues are there, so maybe within a week it should be normal. Now next thing, if you scroll down, you will see this make your first trade powered by Uniswap. So they already tied up with Uniswap. So most of the L1s are still not live with Uniswap, but this project is even before launch, they are live with Uniswap. And you can see the cool interface on their website, testnet website itself. You can buy these 3 tokens by just clicking few buttons. So that is one cool thing which I found. So now first thing, there are 3 tokens. We can interact with these 3 tokens. So first thing, let's buy this DAX. So enter 0.01 Monad, click on buy, you'll get a MetaMask pop-up, complete the transaction, and first transaction is successful. Then let's buy Yaki, so 0.01 Monad again, complete the transaction. Then buy the third token, which is Chalk, so which is 0.01 Monad, and buy. That's all. We have done the 3 transactions, all 3 goes through Uniswap. Now in this video I am covering 15 dApps. So most of the community members will be having a less number of Monad test tokens in the wallet. So what I would suggest is you do this transaction. Whatever transactions I'm showing in this video, I'm doing with only 0.01 test tokens. So you can do similarly like 0.011 or 0.012. Don't do with bigger amounts like 0.5 or 0.8. So do with a smaller amount so you can survive till the end of this video. So now let's scroll down again. So if you see this, there is a spotlight page available. So in that they have mentioned fantasy top. So I'll talk about that later. Then they have the featured apps here. You can check the app hub and you can find out more apps in the app ecosystem. So now let's start with one by one. So first project in our list is NAT domain. So this is basically Monad domain service. So where you can search for your name and register your domain. So just connect your wallet, search for your name, register it for 0.02 Monad. We have successfully done it. Let's go to the second app, which is a staking app in this APR. So here you just need to swap your Monad tokens. It will be converted to the staked Monad, which is APR Mon 0.01 tokens. Stake it and confirm. That's all. We have done the staking. Now let's go to the DEX platform, which is Bean. So connect the wallet, swap small amount 0.01 tokens to USDC. And that's all. We have done the swap successfully. Now let's go to the Bebop. So this is also a DEX platform. Here you can swap your tokens to USDC, or in case if USDC is not working, you can also wrap them to wrapped Monad. So just complete the transaction. First you have to approve, then you have to complete the swap transaction. So now there is this platform IZUMI. Right now the testnet is not working properly. So let's skip this dApp today. Now go to the Kuru. Click on create wallet here, connect your MetaMask. And immediately you will get a wallet. Click on the wallet icon on the right side and then click on deposit, and deposit small amount, again 0.01 Monad, and complete the transaction. So now we have successfully deposited to the DEX. Select Monad USDC and you can buy or sell those tokens using the deposited funds. Now let's go to the LFJ. So this is also another DEX where you will be swapping some Monad tokens to USDC. In case if you have the slippage issue, you can swap it to Monad or wrapped Monad. So now you can see swap is successful. So now we have completed the DEX platform. Now let's go to the lending platform, which is Kinza. So here you can connect the wallet, select Monad. Under supply side, just select small amount 0.01 Monad and supply it. And then again in the bottom you will see a borrow button. Just click on borrow and borrow small amount of Monad tokens. Done. We have done the supply and borrow also. Now we will do a smart contract deployment on Monad blockchain using the all to one click solution. So just click this link, just click on deploy button and complete the transaction, and that's all. Your contract will be deployed on Monad. So now we'll mint 4 NFTs which are live on Monad through 4 different apps. First one will be through Magic Eden. They have this Emmy on Monad. So just connect your wallet, tick mark this and click on mint, and that's all. You have successfully minted your NFT. Now let's go to the second NFT. Before going that, you can go to my profile and track all your NFTs on Monad. So now let's go to the second NFT mint, which is Monadverse. Just click on wallet, connect the wallet, and then click on mint and mint the NFT. Now let's go to the third one, which is Lit Chalkster. Just connect the wallet, click on mint and mint this NFT. Then last NFT mint on this page, so just click on MetaMask and you will be able to mint this more key. So you need to complete some social task. You need not do anything, just click on that icon, it will redirect to next page. You need not do anything, but automatically you will see this purple icons. Then you can see a mint option, just click on mint NFT and complete the mint transaction. Done. So now you can go back to the Magic Eden and you can track all your NFTs which you have minted. So now this project is nat.fun. This is similar to pump.fun on Solana. So they already have pump.fun on Monad on testnet itself. So that is one good thing. So just click on connect wallet, and then go to terminal option on the top, click on create coin and upload image and some text, and you can launch your own token on Monad using this nat.fun. Then you can buy and sell your own token, or you can go and buy and sell other tokens which are available, and that also will increase your testnet interaction. Now these are all the interactions through our MetaMask. Now there is this platform which is called Fantasy. If you remember, we have used it on Blast ecosystem. Now similarly it is available here basically for influencers. You can click on register, connect your Twitter and log in with your Twitter, and then you can explore this ecosystem, buy, sell other influencers cards, and you can trade these cards. So that is basically it, and there's nothing much about this particular platform. If you want, you can go to this main one and you can do the registration also. So that's all guys, we have successfully completed 15 dApp interaction. Now more dApps will be coming up every week. I'll be posting those updates in my Twitter, so do follow me on my new Twitter handle. Now in case if you want, at the end of this video, if you see, my wallet is ended up with 6.28 Monad, but still some portion of tokens are in other form like wrap tokens or USDC, and some are went in minting NFTs, and we have done around 22 transactions in a single shot. So that is a small background. Now in case if you want to explore more dApps, in the testnet page, if you scroll down, you have this explore the full Monad ecosystem, and here you will find tens of dApps which are live, so you can interact with them also and increase your Monad transaction history. Now that is the end of the video, but before that I would like to suggest you guys, so instead of doing all the dApp interaction in single day, try to do few transactions every day or every week. So or else you can do one thing, you can interact with all the dApps available now, and maybe from coming Monday, every Monday interact with one or the other dApp regularly, so that your regular transactions will be feeder on chain and you will be rewarded well. So now that's all guys, that's about today's video about Monad and its